If I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, well, I'd ride him on my boat. We could all together go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. If I were Roy Rogers, I'd sure enough be single. I couldn't bring myself to marry old Dale. It would just be me and Trigger. We'd go riding through the movies, then we'd buy a boat and on the sea we'd sail. If I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, well, I'd ride him on my boat. We could all together go out on the ocean, and me upon my pony on my boat. Well, the mystery masked man was smart. He got himself a Tonto, 'cause Tonto did the dirty work for free. But Tonto, he was smarter, and one day said, "Kemo-sabe, kiss my ass, I bought a boat and I'm going out to sea." If I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, well, I'd ride him on my boat. We could all together go out on the ocean, me up on my pony on my boat. And if I were like lightning, I wouldn't need no sneakers. I could come and go whenever I would please. And I'd scare 'em by the shade tree, and I'd scare 'em by the light pole, but I would not scare my pony on my boat out on the sea. If I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. And if I had a pony, well, I'd ride him on my boat.
I say bye! I say bye! I say bye! Nice job,
Up on my pony on my boat. Just me upon my pony